Have you been looking for a way to automate your email mailing process? Well, with Email Expert AI, you can do just that. With Email Expert AI, you can send out emails generated with AI and, of course, generated by yourself, by your team. With Email Expert AI, you can create emails, store emails, and schedule emails before you even need them. Welcome to Software Safari. My name is Toby, and I'll be taking you through Email Expert AI and all that it offers you. Once you log in with your email and your password, you're presented with the dashboard. On the dashboard, you can see your home, you can see the project, your campaigns, templates, email to email, video to email, chat to email, subject lines, countdown timers, scheduled emails, custom email, lead finder, your brand voice, your agency, the tutorials to help you understand how to use Email Expert AI, support, and your settings. You can also change your profile. When you want to create a new email, you simply click on Create New. Then you can include the title of your campaign. We would use software. You choose a brand voice. The brand voice should have been created prior to creating your new email. As you can see, we have already created a brand voice. When you're creating a brand voice, you can include things that you want the brand voice to have. If it should be professional, if it should be humorous, the type of messages that brand voice will sell. You can choose if you want to use an email template or create an email template from scratch. You can choose the category of email templates. Let's pick hiring. And out of that category, we select specific templates. Let's pick application acknowledgement. We can choose the email tone. Take note that this email tone is already included in your brand voice. So you can choose one or you can leave it. You can choose a copywriting framework. If you're familiar with writing emails, you will understand the frameworks in copywriting. We'll take a look at the ADA framework. You can choose our writing style. And we can give more information to Email Expert AI of what our email is about. We can simply tell it, you can choose who your target audience is, describe the product or service that you'd offer, the call to action, and you can choose to insert a URL. And if we do not have, you can also choose a destination URL. And if you have any custom instruction that you'd like Email Expert to note, you should include them in a custom instruction panel. And finally, the language. And when you're satisfied with all of this, click on Generate. As you can see, the email has been generated. We have the subject, thank you for your application. We have the pre-header. We have the email content. We have a lot of information, the brand voice with the information about the brand, and so much more. If we want to make changes, we can make changes to the email. We can include our contact information. You can take a look at the CTA and include a link to scheduling that interview. Include a CTA to visit our website. You can include the applicant's name here. And when we're satisfied, we can choose to download that email as a HTML, as MS Word, or as text. And when we're done, we can exit. And we can see that our email has been saved. When we are ready to use that email, we can now send out those emails. When we take a look at projects, we can see the projects that have been created prior to now. We can create a new project. Select a category. Choose the campaign we'd want to use. And create projects. You can see the project has been created. You can choose to view that project, you can delete it, clone it, and more. Next, you can take a look at my campaigns. These are the campaigns that we've previously created. And when we take a look at templates, you can see all the templates made available to us by Email Expert AI. You can see the different e-courses, apology emails, declining job applications, so many at your fingertips. You can convert from one form of email to another email using email to email. You can include the name of that email campaign, the email content or description, the brand voice. And when we fill all of these, we generate our email from a pre-existing email. You can convert a video to email. When converting a video to email, you simply get a transcript, which could also be the subtitle of that previous video. You include it here. You include the email title or the name of your campaign. You choose if you want to use a specific template that has already been created. When you select a specific category, select an email template, the tone, the copywriting framework, you can generate. And when you generate, it automatically saves to your campaigns and you can use it when you need it to. You can convert your chat to email, and this helps you where you can chat with Email Expert AI's chatbots and understand the type of email that you want to create, and it builds that email for you. You can also take a look at subject lines. In subject lines, you choose the specific campaign you want to use or the email campaign that you've previously created, and can generate multiple subject lines and choose which one you prefer. On countdown timers, you can create countdowns to when emails will be sent out. You can schedule emails, and this will also be connected with the countdown timer. You can also find leads. You can create a campaign name, choose a specific niche you want to find leads in, and also choose a location. When you're satisfied, click on Find Leads. And as you can see, the leads are being found. Here is where you can take a look at your brand voice. And as you can see, you have your brand voice here, and you can create a new brand voice. You can include the name of our brand voice, the email, contact information, the company name, the position, and all this information will be used when you're sending out emails. And create brand voice. As you can see, it's not complete. Next, you can take a look at your agency, where you can give other users access to your Email Expert AI, and you can customize it. You can take a look at tutorials and really understand how to use Email Expert AI. You can chat up support, and also you can take a look at settings. So as you can see, Email Expert AI will be a very powerful tool for email marketers, for copywriters, and for people that send out a lot of emails to find leads and to make money online. A link to Email Expert AI is in the description of this video. And if you'd like to see more, have any questions, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can ask in the comment section. See you in the next review. Goodbye.